Well, welcome to the StyleMatrix webinar to showcase this fabulous new exciting dashboard. We're so excited to showcase, and also the point of sale. I'll introduce myself. I'm Alexandra Lowen, and here's Craig Cookesley and Felicity. Felicity's here and will also be presenting today. Over to you, Craig.
Hello. Yes, this is this StyleMatrix webinar. Hello, everyone. Thank you today for joining us. It's all about taking us from on-premise inventory management to the cloud beyond StyleMatrix, and how we elevate your inventory management by becoming common limitations. And our big thing's all about talking about AI and how we're using the new technology to get us where we are today. But the first thing I have to do is talk briefly about my background. We're not a new business. We are a established business, been around for 33 years. I started back in '88 working for a fashion wholesaler who taught me all about colour and size stock control. In '91, I started my own business back in the DOS days. If anyone can remember DOS, wow. What a cowboy inventory that was. It was all Melbourne based and overnight polling, but I learned about Matrix and did my first retail point of sales. Then by the early 2000s, I realized we had to go to Windows. So we rewrote all the software. We couldn't go automatically from DOS to Windows. We had to rewrite it all. We developed our replication technology and separation database codes, and we had clients Australia-wide, which was good. Then in 2019, we started our cloud. We call that our modern tech, global scalability, and we had a few hips and bumps, especially with COVID and things like that. But what we've done is relaunched our brand, and we're no longer called Soulmate, but we're now called StyleMatrix. And that is our passion, and we're talking about AI. So looking back, the journey from DOS to Windows to the cloud has been more than just technology. It's been about empowering businesses to adapt, evolve, and thrive. I believe that the change is opportunity, and I'm excited to share that a transition to the cloud can elevate your inventory management to a new level. So let's dive in. StyleMatrix AI. What inspires me most about is how the cloud, combines with emerging technologies like AI, automation, and machine learning, is reshaping the future. They aren't just buzzwords, they're game changers. The fashion and footwear industries, they unlock efficiencies, improve decision-making, and drive growth like never before. And with StyleMatrix, our Australian-made inventory management solution, I'm proud to help businesses embrace these opportunities while staying rooted in the value of quality and innovation. What I need to talk about now is AI and how I think about it and how we're going to use it properly with our StyleMatrix. Offline sales in fashion and footwear industries are currently facing competition for online sales. In order to successfully exist, offline retailers need to optimize their processes. AI sales forecasting is a critical factor for retailers in the fashion and footwear industries. AI is a game changer. For the retail sector, especially fashion and footwear, AI can drive incredible efficiencies, also for wholesale. It has the power to automate processes, optimize inventory management, and even personalize customer experiences. StyleMatrix is the key. But the key to unlock these benefits lies in having clean, well-structured data and a clean understanding of how AI will be used. That is us. Without solid data foundation and clear goals, you risk embedding errors, biases in your AI models. That's why it's crucial to define the problem AI should solve before jumping in. Doing this is not only helps avoid mistakes, but also secures stakeholders' buy-in and ensures property resource allocation. A well-defined business use case is crucial. It provides clarity on scope, requirements, and challenges. This is what I'm talking to my young tech guys about. This allows for better project management, reduced risk, and leads to AI implementation that are both personal and scalable. When all done right, AI can be a massive competitive advantage for your business, and that's where StyleMatrix is coming in. AI automation and cloud technology are the future. They're enabling businesses to do more with less, improving operational efficiencies, and opening up new revenue streams. For retailers, these tools are essential for staying competitive, improving customer service, and maintaining secure productivity environments. There's little room for error, but with the right approach, AI can transform businesses for the better. It's an exciting time, and I'm looking forward to seeing where this top technology can take us. My point is very clear. Our AI is private AI, which means your data is protected and secure. Our AI goal is to make you work on your business, not in your business. This is why the cloud matters. Now, over to Flick to talk about StyleMatrix.
Thanks, Craig. So this brings us to why the cloud matters. So cloud-based inventory systems like StyleMatrix provide real-time visibility, allowing businesses to manage stock with pinpoint accuracy across multiple locations and channels. So this reduces waste, improves forecasting, and ensures products are where they need to be, whether that's in-store, a warehouse, or on the customer's doorstep. With the global shift towards omni-channel retail, businesses that adopt cloud solutions are already seeing the benefits. Companies that use cloud-based systems experience a 20 to 30% improvement in operational efficiency, with better inventory accuracy, faster decision-making, and reduced costs. Now back to you, Craig.
Right, thank you. The statistics are clear. Whether you're a retailer or a wholesaler, having the right tools to adapt to the evolving landscape isn't optional. It's essential for survival and growth. And that's why the transitioning from on-premise to cloud systems isn't just a trend, it's the future for fashion and footwear industries. It's what we're experts at. In this next section, I'll walk you through how StyleMatrix can help businesses achieve this by transforming seamlessly. Let's keep going. Oh, that's right. Streamlining operations with matrix precision. At the heart of StyleMatrix, its ability to manage inventory with precision using color and size matrix systems. This matrix-based approach is key because its fashion and footwear business deals with multiple sizes, colors, and styles. Without a system like this, businesses often find themselves trying to force a round peg into a square hole, leading to inefficiencies, stock errors, and lost sales. StyleMatrix eliminates these problems, offers clarity and visibility across all inventory categories, ensuring businesses have the right products in the right place at the right time. Over to you, Flick.
Thanks, Craig. Real-time insights and advanced analytics. Our platform leverages AI-driven sales analytics to provide businesses with in-depth insights into sales trends and customer behaviour. This isn't just about looking at what sold yesterday. It's about predicting what customers will want tomorrow. With these insights, businesses can make timely, data-driven decisions that boost profitability, reduce overstock, and avoid stockouts. It's a smarter way to manage inventory that not only enhances operational efficiency, but also improves the customer experience. Back to you, Craig.
One thing we've really focused on is mobile capability for flexible management. We have I'll show you our dashboard in a minute, and it's in today's fast-paced world, flexibility is non-negotiable. That's why StyleMatrix includes this mobile capability and comprehensive mobile dashboard. These features empower businesses, owners, managers, and staff to monitor and manage inventory from anywhere, anytime. There's one function we allow where staff can scan any barcode in the store and see where the stock is available while they're talking to customers. It's a game changer. Whether you're on the shop floor or trade show or working remotely, you have access to real-time inventory levels, sale data, and advanced analytics. This is flexible, ensuring business can respond quickly to change in demand and stay ahead of the competition. Thanks, Flick.
Thanks, Craig. Multi-location management made simple. That's right. For businesses managing multiple locations, StyleMatrix provides seamless tools to coordinate stock across different stores or warehouses. By integrating real-time reporting and analytics, businesses can optimize stock levels, reduce transfers, and ensure each location is adequately supplied. This reduces waste and ensures customers can always find what they're looking for, whether they're shopping online or in store. Thanks, Craig.
No worries. I'm going to talk about savings through visibility and clarity. Perhaps the greatest benefit for StyleMatrix is the savings it delivers. Providing businesses with complete visibility and clarity, it eliminates guesswork and inefficiencies. Businesses can save time, reduce waste, and increase profits simply by having the tools, which is AI, to make smarter decisions. With our matrix system, businesses can finally align their inventory processes with the specific demands of the fashion and footwear industries. Now we've covered the challenge and opportunity in the fashion and footwear industries, let me introduce how StyleMatrix can help businesses overcome these hurdles and thrive in this competitive landscape. I will now change the slide and get you into sharing, and I'll do a quick demo of what we've got. So what we've got is our 64 back office. Can you see this okay?
Yes, yes.
Yep. And we've got our dashboard. You see that? And our point of sale. So I'll first talk about our 64 back office. All these programs are all sharing the same data. So we can add a product here, change the price, and all be seen in point of sale or the dashboard. And that's the key. So setting up a style is very easy. Everything can have a picture, go online. We have season, maker, brand, label, stock groups. It's very, very easy to see. We do promotions, markdowns. That style comes in many colors and sizes. From there, we generate barcodes, which becomes a web ID. And that is the unique identifier on the cloud, on the e-store to see how it's going. Once you set up that program, it turns in, we automatically have it into a matrix. So we give a summary, colors and sizes, and you can see the matrix from the style comes in these colors, these sizes, and this is where it's all about. You can do automatic store transfers. We're working on AI to automate these processes. And here we're just suggesting transfer between the stores. And there. From there, we can look at reports. We've got the purchase order. This is just a summary of a report. Every report is available on premise or on Excel. So all come up. Talking about reports, we have daily reports. In the back office, we have over 80 reports. We already have 3 or 4 in our dashboard, and we'll end up having more and more over time in the modern tech. So it's just a growing thing for us. Here we have daily reporting based on GP net sales, and then we have stock, weekly bestsellers, what's in transit. Then we're looking at the brands and what is the season sale. So you might have a brand that you're discounting at the end of the day, and you go, oh, I've sold all that out, sold all my socks. But then the report will show you that you've lost your margin over time. Then we're looking at employees. Mary might be your best employee, but she's discounting to everyone. So therefore, her productivity is lower than others. Then we've got stock valuation by store, season, department, reporting, stock status, last pair, dead stock reports, history, on hand, all these, and we've got automation of some of these reports already. Then we're looking at file maintenance, where we set up the products, general ledger, daily activities, where we can do stock receipts, purchase orders. General ledger, we have full automation to Xero, quick reports, or MyOb for journals, or now we've just written having invoices going across for wholesale. On request activities, ability to load via Excel any data, transfer, there's our import export. Stock takes, we talk about freezing. So you do a stock take on Friday, you're missing 2 products, you don't have to worry about it. You can trade out over the weekend and then update that on a Monday, because that's what the freeze will do, and then update that. Maintenance is doing that. End of month, if you've got end of month, you can do customer statements. And the big thing is customer club. It's very important to have that linked automatically with online, with Klaviyo and our point of sale, our dashboard, and our back office. Everything is linked, and we have simple features to say anyone who's spent over $100 and even end runs can look at a certain brand, certain style, and reward them for seeing that. That's basically our back office. I think I need to just share a different screen to give you the bigger picture. So now we've got the point of sale. So here we do a basic, you can see this okay?
Yes.
Yep.
This is our cloud point of sale. We search for a product. The customer club is huge for us again. We look up a new member. We only ask for certain fields. And the big one is the VIP. VIP can have a barcode. They can scan that barcode anytime during the sale and get an automatic discount based on the requirements that you put on, and you can have it all based on date range. We just select the customer, going forward to payments. We do a cash sale. Here, we just apply the amount, comes up okay to process. It's very, very simple. And then we can email the receipt or print the receipt. Very efficient. We have full stock inquiries like we saw in the back office. If I can type properly, sorry. And that shows you how quickly our look and feel is for the product. And here we can change colors. That's the stock inquiry that the staff will see in the stores. We can have either the cost or sell, or just value, depending on what rights that staff member has. We can do housekeeping, history, gift vouchers, lay-by payments, account payments, returns, exchanges. It's very, very simple and powerful to use. And with AI, we'll have suggestive of telling the staff what to do based on what the customer is doing in the dashboard. Here is the dashboard. It is available anywhere on your phone, on anywhere, and it's a summary of all the data that we've got. So we talk about sales versus budget here in this case, and I'll just play it, and it's going through, and we can have that in black or white, same with our back office, and going through, we can change dates for it. See how the stores by budget variations, and then we've got this new AI feature. AI Coach is our development to talk about, and I spoke about AI earlier, we are very, very responsible for it, inventory alert, revenue opportunities, and performance insights. So it's going to be a pop-up function that will be prompting you to say, hey, we've noticed this, we've noticed that. It's a very powerful function that we're working on. For the wholesalers, we have another function. We have a wholesale dashboard, which I'll talk about. Comes up. Get the right date. And that is showing you the weekly bestsellers, then the weekly overview of orders compared to sales based on your customer groups. It's a very powerful on your phone event that you can have with that. That's just the start of our wholesale. Then we've got inventory. You can search for any product. We have full stock control and matrix in the dashboard and promotions. So here I'm just typing in a style.
So Craig, we can't actually, the screen hasn't changed from the shop point of sale screen.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No, yeah, it hasn't. I thought it might have been my Queensland internet service up here being a bit slow.
Thank you.
But
yeah. If I change the mode, I have to change it. Sorry. Can you see this now?
Yes.
Yes.
I'll go back and just show you some the wholesale. See that?
Yes, yep.
Sorry, yep. Then we're talking about inventory here. So it's all got inventory management built in. And we can search for any product, like you can in back office and in point of sale. It's the same kind of theory. You look up products. There's filters coming up to show you. There by supplier, brand, department, category. See if there's promotions on or whatever. And we just pick up any product. And we can see the matrix there, the color and the size there, and what's on promotion. It's very, and then add promotions. It's very, very powerful. The last function is reports. We only have 3 at the moment, but we're going to end up having 8 to 10 most popular reports, and they can all be downloaded and saved to PDF or Excel, and then you can email that to anyone, anytime. So that's a basic overview of our dashboard. And now pricing. We're looking at pricing being around $129 per month per store for the whole function. Have the dashboard, the point of sale, back office on any device, anywhere, or sharing the same data. So over to you, Alex, to talk about where we go from here.
So I do have a few questions from people that couldn't attend.
Very good.
If that's okay. We'd like to just talk a bit more about. A few people are really wanting to hear more about the matrix with the multiple size and colour variations with complex orders. Can you just elaborate on that, Craig?
Oh, yes, for the wholesale.
Yes.
Of course. StyleMatrix uses a colour size matrix system simply designed for wholesalers. It allows you to manage large volumes of product with multiple variations and efficiency. You quick add, adjust, and track inventory for each variation and manual duplications. We handle loose and packs. But the whole goal of wholesale is free to sell and working out what is on order, what is stock customer orders, and what is booked or saved off for retail and things like that. And that's our future of it.
And another one is with integration with existing wholesale systems like order processing and logistics. Can you just elaborate on that too?
Yes, StyleMatrix is designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing system, including order processing, logistics, and account platforms. Creates a unified system that improves efficiencies across your entire operation. We do remote warehouse or common warehouse for wholesale.
Fantastic. And how can StyleMatrix help reduce overstocking in wholesale?
With our AI, we can provide real-time inventory visibility and AI-driven analytics. StyleMatrix helps you understand demand and forecast accuracy. This ensures that your orders that you need reduce overstock and saving warehouse space. That's our goal.
And also multi-location warehouses.
Yes.
How do we support that?
Yes, and that's very common. With StyleMatrix, we do all multiple colors, styles, and locations. Management tools. We track inventory across all warehouses, transfer stock as needed, and some of our clients have special on hold warehousing. So they are getting 1,000 pairs in and they say, all right, 400 are booked for our retail. So only 600 are seen as available to sell. And then out of those 600, 300 are booked for customers. Therefore, online, they have 300, even though they've got 1,000 in the warehouse. And that's how we talk about it.
So for improving operational efficiency for wholesalers, can you just elaborate a little bit more on that?
Well, we streamline inventory management and order tracking and reporting, and we do reduce manual errors and time-consuming tasks. The platform is real-time updates and automatic, so it's anything you do is instant with this cloud now. An automated process to focus on growing your business instead of managing your day-to-day operations.
And any more questions? I think, Scott, you had some retail questions, please.
I do, Alex, thank you. Craig, inventory. So how can, I think it's been touched on before by Flick, but just managing the inventory across both physical and online stores, what that sort of looks like. Could we just go over that a little bit more?
We have it seamlessly. So we have, for wholesale, we have free to sell going up online to show what's online. And for retail, we're showing you what is available in all stores at any one time. And that will be online. And when the online sale is made, it comes instantly back to StyleMate and reduces the stock which then reflects in the point of sale and dashboard straight away. So it provides real-time
Okay.
visibility across the channels and allows everything they need.
Right. Yeah. Okay, cool. Thanks for that. The customer experience is a really big thing. And so is there any sort of, I'm still trying to absorb all of the features and the functions of the system, but customer experience, is there anything that StyleMatrix can do to sort of integrate that to improve it?
By assuring our stock levels and reducing stock outs, StyleMatrix can help meet your customer expectations every time. I think it's more and more important that you are collecting the customer data for every sale, online or on premise, to then reward them for buying that brand, that particular style, that particular color. And we collect that data at that grain detail.
Yep.
And setting up VIP customers is just crucial.
Yeah, sure. And also seasonal fluctuations and with your inventory, is there any sort of functionality that StyleMatrix uses to predict that?
Absolutely. We use AI-driven analytics to predict seasonal trends and optimize inventory map planning. It helps you stock up on high-demand items in advance while avoiding overstocking less popular products and keeping your inventory balanced.
Yep. Yep. Okay. And what about some of the fledgling or growing businesses, 1 and 2 shops or 1 and 2 outlets? Is this suitable for it, or is StyleMatrix too big to accommodate the smaller?
No, we have a whole lot of smaller retailers. We have retailers with 40, 50 stores because we are flexible and it's capable of working for business of all sizes, and retailers benefit from the real-time visibility. But I tell the small businesses their focus is customer, and their stock should be seen and should be online, but rewarding the customers with all the tools is crucial for a small business.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Oh, that's good. And the reporting, the mobile dashboard, can I sort of walk into a meeting and have all of the figures there in the palm of my hand?
That's correct. And it's all live on time, real time. And then in the store, the staff will have it to talk to customers about it. And they'll scan the barcode and say, hey, oh, you want a size 13? And they'll scan the barcode and go, oh, sorry, we haven't got a size that we've got somewhere in another store, or we've got it here. We've got a size 12 or a 14, but we've got a size 13 in these styles. And that's what it'll show you. And
you've already shown us the inter-store transfers, haven't you? The functionality of that.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. Yep. Okay.
And that's the key.
Yeah, very good. That's it from me. But thank you.
Well, thank you all so much for joining us today. Felicity and I would just like to do a quick close. And also, as you would have seen in the chat, I've added the link for product demonstrations if you want to click on that. And also our phone number and email address, hello@stylematrix.io. Over to you, Felicity, to close.
Thanks, Sally. So I guess you're thinking, why StyleMatrix? So ultimately, StyleMatrix is about empowering businesses to achieve more. Okay, so by combining advanced technology with industry-specific experience and expertise, we provide a solution that's not just innovative, it's transformative. So whether you're a retailer looking to optimize your customer experience or a wholesaler striving for operational excellence, StyleMatrix helps you move seamlessly into the future. And we're so excited about it, aren't we, Alex?
Aren't we?
And Craig.
It's
very
such
excited.
Success, seeing this great work of the team. Thank you so much for watching today, and do contact us at hello@stylematrix.io.